You have to hit the roof. Okay, the question is an object is thrown from a point on the ground towards a building with a slant slope of 3/4. So this is with a slope of 3/4. The object is thrown at an angle of 60 degree with respect to the ground with an initial velocity of 8 meter per second. Find the distance from the point on the ground where the object is thrown to the point wherein it will hit the slope. So one thing the the question misses is the following. This, the object is thrown from this point, right, along the slant. It's supposed to start from here. This is what is missed per se. And we are throwing at an angle something like this. So this is with velocity of 8 meter per second. And you have, where is it? And you have 60 degree. And what else? That's it. Okay, so obviously this will hit the slope somewhere over here. And we have to basically find the distance from the ground where the object is thrown to the point wherein it will hit. So basically this length, okay? Or you can figure out in terms of coordinates x comma y. So this is what we have to do. Okay, so quite a few information is given. There's one new set of approach that we are looking at. And that is the distance, the relationship between the x and y. That's your clue. There is a relationship between x and y. You have to make use of that and solve this. Okay, let me give the clue. If x comma y is the coordinate where the object hits the slope, then x or y by x actually is equal to 3 by 4. So if y is equal to 3a, x is equal to 4. Let me not use a, it is confusing. Will be 4b. Right, guys? So this is, say, g, and we can take right and up as positive. We can take this as 0 comma 0 and x and y is positive. So on and so forth. So this is the thing that we have to make use of and solve this. Okay, everything else remains the same. Now it's time for you guys to pause and try it. Okay, I hope you guys did it. So as we have done before, we need to start with y component and x component. And let's look at what we have. So in this case, we know the destination. Y is equal to 4b. And y naught is equal to 0. So we can make use of that. Y is equal to u y, that is initial velocity, that we know, 8 into sine 60 degree. So this is root 3 by 2, 4 root 3 meter per second. So that we know. And what else do we know? G we know. So that I already mentioned. Okay, so let's do this. So we know that y is equal to y naught plus ut plus half gt square. Simple equation. So we have 4b is equal to 0 plus 8. No, we will go with 4 root 3 t minus 10 t square. Okay, so we'll stick to this. There are too many unknowns, so we'll just call this as 1. Always write all the things that we know before you start worrying about where is it going. When it comes to x, we know the final destination. It is it 4? I think this is 3. My bad. Y by x only, right? Yeah, slope is y by x. So this is 3 and so this will be 3. And so this will be 4a, 4b. So we started off at 0 and our initial velocity along the x-axis is 8 cos 60 degree. So this is half, so this is 4 meter per second. There's no acceleration over here. So this is much easier thing to deal with. So we have t is equal to b. Done. All our problems are done. So from all of this, what can we do? Oh, the math will be difficult though. Anyways, this is a calculator problem, guys. We need to substitute 2 in 1. I hope I'm right about all of this. There's nothing complicated actually. Speed into time. So distance is equal to, I'm traveling 4b. 3 by 4. This is 3 and this is 4. Oh yeah, 3 by 4 should have been a bit more in this way actually. Anyways, this is 4. That's the distance. That's the time. Okay. All in all, it's good. So 10t square. I'm just rearranging minus 4 root. Instead of t, I'm going to write b, I guess. Oh no, let me stick to, yeah, I'll stick to t. And we have minus 3t is equal to 0. Agree? Right? Yeah. 3, this is negative. This is positive. No, it's not right. This is positive. Now I'll divide with t throughout. So I'll end up with 10t is equal to 4 root 3 minus 3. So t will be equal to 4 root 3 minus 3. That is 0.39 seconds. Within this many seconds, you're done. And so the coordinates are, guys, you find the final answer. Coordinates are, so 3, t and b are one and the same. So 3 times of, this is 4, sorry, 4 times of this value. This is say 1.6 approximately and 1.2. That will be your coordinate. That's where the object will hit, provided you throw along the slope. I mean, that information is not given. If not, it's kind of, it's not answerable actually. There are many possibilities. Right? And yeah, you take the root and all of that, you'll get to know the distance, this distance. That's your answer. You can pause and have a look. Oh guys, I noticed a mistake over here. I didn't divide with 5 over here. I mean, I didn't divide with 2. So this will be 5. And what else will change? This will be 5. This will be 5. And then this will be 5. And then this will be 2 times of whatever we got. So that is 0.8. Not exactly 8, but 7-8 seconds. And all of these answers will change. This will be how much? So 4 times of 0.78. 3.12 and 3 times of 0.78. 2.34. So 2.34 square plus. Okay, that you guys can do.